Hi, my name is Noah Arroyo, and for my web tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the new SEIS. So first, what you're going to want to do is log in from the home screen. Just to let you know, I'm using a practice SEIS, so all the information is just fictitious based on students. So once you log in, you're going to want to go to the Students tab, click on it, click on Student IEPs. That's going to bring you to this page that shows your cases. So in this case, I'm going to edit the first IEP. What you're going to do is go to the small pencil and click on that. It's going to bring you to the page that has all the pages pertaining to the IEP. You can see all of them there. And like a common page to edit would be present levels. So what you're going to want to do is click on the pencil to edit any page that you want to see. Once you click on that pencil, it's going to take you to that page. And you can see this is a present levels page, one of many pages in an IEP. And you can go down and check information off about assessments, health tests, and then of course academic levels, communication, all the aspects pertaining to an IEP. So after you edit that page, you would hit save. And then what you're going to want to do is go to forms under that section and go to return to list. That'll take you back to your page where you can see all of your IEP pages. So another common page to edit would be goals. So for example, we're going to go in here and click on the little pencil by goals. Now here, if you wanted to add a goal, this shows his current goals. If you wanted to add a goal, you'd go to the top over here to where the little add button is. Click on that. Now you can fill in all your information about this goal. Then you go to save and return. It's going to bring you back to your main goals page. If you're done here, you can go back to the forms to the main list by clicking on return to list. Back at the main page for all the IEP pages. After that, you can edit any page you want, and I'll just show you one more page, like a behavior intervention plan, which is a really common page that I edit due to my special education teaching. And so once you get to this page, click add all your behavior intervention information, hit save and return, and then there's your blank intervention plan, and you're back. You hit return to list and you're back at your main IEP page. Once you're done with that student, you can click on return to student IEPs and it brings you back to your main page. If you're all done editing with your students, you click log out, and that's the end of my tutorial for SEIS.